In this video, I want to demonstrate how I would make a cut in a sheet metal part that would go through this face, this radius, and this face. So the cut would be done before the part is folded. To do that in sheet metal, I first have to unfold my part. So I'm going to come up here and select Unfold. Here it's asking me what face stays fixed. I'll select this face. And then what bend do I want to unfold? If I collect all bends, it'll collect all bends in the part. I don't want to collect all bends. I just want this bend, and I'll right click to accept it. I see my part is unfolded. Now I'm going to look normal to this face, and I can add my cut here. So I'm going to go back to the features. I'm going to tell it make an extrude cut. And I'm going to sketch a rectangle. I'm going to come up here, tell it I want a 2-corner rectangle. So I've made my rectangle. I'm going to activate Smart Dimension. I'll make this size 1/2 inch. This will be 7/8. Then I'll dimension from the bottom up 5/8. I'm going to push Escape to leave dimension mode. I'm going to select this line, tell it to select the midpoint, hold Control. I'm going to select the origin, and I'll add a vertical relationship here. My sketch is fully defined, and next I want to add some fillets to these corners. So I'm going to activate Fillet. I'm going to make my size 1/32. And I'm going to add that fillet to each corner. Answer yes here. Again, answer yes. So I've filleted at my corners. I'll say, okay, I'm done with fillet. The sketch is fully defined. I'll right click and I'm going to say okay. And I'm going to right click one more time to exit the sketch. Now I'm going to rotate around and I want to cut through this. And I want the cut to go through the sheet metal regardless of its thickness. So I'll leave it as blind. I'll tell it to link to thickness. It's a normal cut, and I'll say OK. So I've now cut that there. The next step is to fold the part back up. So I'm going to go back to my sheet metal tab, and I'm going to tell it I want to fold the part. So it sees this as the fixed face. I'm not going to tell it to collect all bends. Again, I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to say, here's my bend. I'll right click to accept it, and it's folded back up. So I've added an unfold feature, my cut, and then a fold feature. And now if I flatten it out, we can see how it looks, and I'll fold it back up.